Or maybe it'll be a Polestar 3 electric SUV teased ahead of an upcoming reveal.
Yeah.
The 2023 Polestar 3 is set to become the brand's third model when it debuts October 12th. That is quite soon. Its electric motors will dispense up to 510 horsepower. That's not bad. It's a hatchback?
Yeah.
Sure looks like it.
In the form of a SUV.
Oh, they call it an SUV?
Yeah.
Polestar's been teasing the third model, aptly called the 3, since last December when it showed an image of the electric crossover in a pixelated wrap. This is one of those electric cars you can actually get. You go look it up, you can just order it. I don't know why more people don't have these. I don't know if they're any good. I don't know why they never put one in our studio. I'd like to inspect it.
Yeah. I mean, I think the Polestar 2 was going for 60K Canadian or 65.
So was
it's affordable.
Oh, okay.
It's affordable.
Okay. But don't you agree? You just don't see that many of them, and they seem to be available, and there's just not a tremendous amount of buzz.
Yeah, I wonder
the general
why.
public.
Because they are cool looking cars, but I've never driven one, so I'm not too sure.
I know. Never. Like, I think you could just order it right now.
You could, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I feel like even if you go on Auto Trader or something, you can just they're available. And I don't know.
We should get one.
Plus, they have this partnership with Volvo, and they've been making cars forever. So the whole thing seems just too feasible. I just want to know what people are avoiding here.
Should we get to the bottom of it?
Let's get to the bottom of it. Investigative. That's the one I want right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
The Concept 02.
Oh, okay, Concept. Not anytime soon. Yeah, you can check. You can take it out on the road and tell us about the reflections.
Sure, yeah. I can say I'm driving on a cloud instead of driving a cloud.
That's what you say. You say, I'm driving on a cloud and there's no reflections. That was the key with your feedback.
You're confused about that?
No.
I was looking at the.
No, I'm not confused. I'm just letting the people know the key takeaways.
Yeah.
Cloud reflections.
That's all you got?
Cloud reflections and launch. That was. Go watch it. You guys need to. Will's looking really comfy in there. You got the seatbelt on. You got the Alcantara steering wheel. I don't know. I think people should see that.
Well, I'll definitely drive it again. It's a cool car.
Polestar also dropped some information about the 3's powertrain. The company confirmed that in initial launch, every 3 will feature a rear-biased dual-motor powertrain, which will include electric torque vectoring via dual-clutch system on the rear motor. Polestar 3 will also come with a performance package where the motors will produce a combined 510 horsepower and 671 pound-feet of torque. Polestar did not reveal how much the crossover will make as standard, but every 3 will come with adaptive dual-chamber air suspension and active dampers.
What do you think of this?
Yeah.
Just the look alone?
It looks
great.
I like it, man. I like it. I got no problems with it. And now I really feel the need to get to the bottom of what's going on with this brand.
Yeah.
What's going on with this brand? Deep dive.